In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hover effect to an element using Webflow. Creating hover effects can significantly enhance the user experience on your website by adding a touch of interactivity and sophistication. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to open the Webflow designer and select the specific element you wish to style. This could be anything from a button or a text link to a div block. It's essential to ensure you've selected the correct element and its associated class. Especially if you're using combo classes, precision is crucial here. Once you've selected your element, we'll move on to accessing the hover state. Head over to the Style panel, which you can find on the right-hand side of the Webflow designer. Keep an eye out for the selector field, as it usually displays the class name of the selected element. Click the drop-down arrow next to this selector field. You'll see a list of various states. From this list, choose Hover. Once you select this, the Style panel will automatically update to reflect the properties associated with the hover state of the chosen element. Now that you're in the hover state, it's time to apply some new styles. Scroll to the relevant section within the Style panel. For instance, if you're planning to change the background color of a button during a hover, you'll need to navigate to the background section. Adjust the color property to whatever your desired hover color is. Feel free to get creative here. You can alter not just the color properties, but also the border color, text color, add shadows, or even make transformations. These tweaks can add an extra layer of polish and professionalism to your design, making your site not only functional, but visually appealing. Once you've made the desired changes in the hover state, it's important to verify them to ensure they appear as you intended. You can do this directly within the Webflow designer by hovering over the element. Alternatively, you can use the preview mode, which is accessible from the top bar of the interface. This mode enables you to see how the hover effects will appear to your site visitors, giving you peace of mind that everything looks just right. When you're satisfied with how the changes look, the final step is to publish your site. This action will make your newly added hover effects live, allowing visitors to enjoy the enhanced interactivity. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a touch of life to your website elements with hover effects in Webflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.